what we think we become. I'm Lakshmi Kantan and this is the channel where I share with you guys about the books I read and the vocabulary in them. So in today's video, before we get into vocabulary, I'll explain you the parts of speech. So what is a speech? Speech is nothing but an arrangement of words or anything that is spoken or written. For example, any sentence is a speech, and when it comes to sentence is a combination of words. So each word that is placed in a sentence comes under the category of any one of these part of speech. That is, word can be either a noun or pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, or interjections. Apart from these 8, the words that come in a sentence can be a pre-modifier, that is an article. So in today's video, I'll share with you guys about all these parts of speech and I'll give you the definition of these parts of speech. So in our video, whatever that we are going to see in future would most probably contain noun, verb, adverb and adjective. So of these 8 parts of speech, I'll define you these 4 parts of speech. So first one is noun. Noun is a word which names either a living being or a non-living. So anything that is existing in this world that is living is a living being. For example, animals, birds, humans. So all these come under the category of, and trees and plants. So all these come under the category of a noun. So we basically give names for these things individually. So they come under the category of noun. Likewise, non-living like door or board or bulb. So all these are the names that we give to a particular thing, and these are called nouns. So next is a verb. As we know, anything that defines an action, for example, running, jogging, walking, writing. So all these are the words that define action. So these are called as verbs. And adverb. Adverb basically is a word that modifies primarily a verb. For example, run. Running is a verb. For example, if I am saying I run slow. Slow is a word which modifies a verb. So it is called an adverb because it is modifying another verb. An adverb can also modify another adverb. For example, as I told you, he runs slow. And when it comes to slow, it can even be further modified. That is, he runs very slow. So in this sentence, the word very and slow, so all these both act as an adverb. So these adverbs can also modify another adjective. So adjective I will define you later. Adjective is beautiful. In this case, I can define or I can use another adverb, that is she is very beautiful. So this is again another adverb. And the next word is adjective. Adjective is a word that adjective is a word that defines the characteristic of something, like she is beautiful, or it defines about or it describes about the way in which one looks. So you can even call this as a describing word. So whatever the thing or a living being that it describes about comes under the category of an adjective. Supposing if I am saying it is a black board. So when I say black, I am describing about the color of the board. So these are the 4 main parts of speech that we will be seeing in the future. For example, supposing if I am giving you a word, most probably those or the particular word would fall into the category of any one of these 4 categories. That is, it would either be a noun or a verb or an adverb or an adjective. So in today's video, I'll give you another 5 words with their parts of speech and their usages. So we'll go in detail.